Hi all, welcome to another exciting lecture. In this lecture, we'll see how to install Java on Ubuntu operating system. So this is the Git repository where we have mentioned about all the steps required to install different softwares. So if you haven't bookmarked this repository, please bookmark this repository and give us a start. So let's get started on how to install Java on Ubuntu. To, so to do that, we need a Ubuntu operating system, and I'll launch a Ubuntu operating system now in AWS. So if you haven't uh, created a AWS Creator account, please check our lecture on how to create a AWS Creator account and how to create EC2 instances. So I'll give it a name um, called Ubuntu server. Okay, I'll select operating system type as Ubuntu. If you don't know what all these things are, then check out our lecture on creating EC2 instances on AWS. So there I have explained different. So there I have explained different things like what is EC2, what is key pair, everything I have explained in details. So let's select a key pair. If I don't have a key pair, just create a new key pair. I have a key pair, that's why I have selected that existing one. Now keep everything as default. Make sure that you have checked this on security group, because we are going to SSH into this Ubuntu server so that we can install Java on it. So make sure that you check that and click on launch instance. Okay. So now it takes a little bit of time to come to a running state. So once it comes to running state, we will SSH into the server and start installing Java. So now as you can see, my Ubuntu server is ready to. So let's get connected to that Ubuntu server. So I'll use in browser option to connect to my Ubuntu server. Now I am inside my Ubuntu servers. Now let's follow the guide. First, launch a Ubuntu instance and log into it. That is done. Check if Java is already installed by running java-version. So let's run java-version. So we found this, that Java not found. That means Java is not installed. So let's see if Java is okay. If Java is not installed, you will see something like this. So we saw something like this. That means Java is not installed. Now update the repository by running sudo apt-get update. So let's copy this command and run to update the repositories in this system. So this updated all the repositories. This is updating. While this is getting updated, let's see what are the other next steps. Then run below command and if prompted press Y. Okay, so we'll run now this command. Actually this is the command that installs Java. Sudo apt install OpenJDK 17 gre. Okay, now the next step is then run below command and if prompted press Y. This is the command that installs Java. So let's take this command sudo apt-get install OpenJDK gre. I'll copy this and go to my Ubuntu system. Now press this. So it's prompting for yes and no. I'll press yes. So this is installing Java. Now let's go to our documentation to see what's the next step. Now verify if Java has been installed by running below command. So this is the command that will run again to see if Java has been installed. And now you should see something like below if Java has been properly installed. Okay, we should see OpenJDK version this. So now let's check that Java has been installed. So let me paste here java hyphen version. Now see, we are seeing something like that what has been documented here, OpenJDK version 17, OpenJDK version 17. That means Java has been installed in this operating system. Now let's see what next. To uninstall Java from Ubuntu, use below command and if prompted, press Y. So let's run this to uninstall Java. So this uninstalls Java. Now if I will run Java hyphen version, this shouldn't work. So let's run that command again. It seems it's not working. Uninstalling. Unable to locate package this. Okay, now I'll just do this. Press Y. Now it will run Java hyphen version. See, so there is a little mistake here. So you can remove these two options and run just OpenJDK option. That should uninstall the Java from your operating system, Ubuntu operating system. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching.